Well, good afternoon, everybody. How y'all doing? Pretty good here, and welcome to the channel. Got a delivery the other day from sparksparts.com. Can't wait to get these on. We're going to do a little unboxing, take a look at what's inside. If you need anything for your truck or your Toyota, get a hold of sparksparts.com, and don't forget to use discount code RobMotive for 5% off. Like I said, we got these in the other day. Gonna unbox it, take a look and see what's inside. These parts are for the Tacoma up there. You guys can see it. It's resting up there. And I've been waiting for these for just a couple of days now, so I can't wait to open it up, take a look, and get them installed. Probably do the install in the next maybe 2 to 3 days, something like that. Maybe sooner if I can. But anyway, let me get you set up over here on the other side. You guys can see what these are. I will, after I do the unboxing and stuff, I'll put a screenshot of the part number in case you guys are interested in these for your Tacoma. And as usual, I'll leave a link down below or the website address for Sparks Parts in case you guys are looking for something for your truck. So stay tuned. Let's open this up. All right, got my handy dandy carpet knife here, so let's see if I can get this box open without slicing into anything underneath. All right, awesome. And one thing I do want to mention, because folks ask once in a while, these are genuine Toyota parts. They're not aftermarket. They are Toyota parts. As you can probably tell by the Toyota logo and verbiage all over the box. But let's see what we've got here. Nice. I like the packaging so far. Keep this stuff protected. Here's my parts list. And let's see what we've got here. You guess what it is yet? Here you go. Check it out. These are blacked out tailgate, or tail light rather, assemblies for the Tacoma. Check these out. We've got the black all around the outside, which I like, while still maintaining the OEM look of the lights themselves. So should be pretty awesome. We're going to see how they look on the truck. Make sure everything looks nice and undamaged in shipping. Everything looks pretty good to me in that one. Wrap that one back up and take a quick look at the other one. Always like to make sure that we didn't get any damage in shipping. Oh, too cool. I love the blacked out look. Just awesome. Check that out. Again, all nice and blacked out, except for the reflector, of course, and the backup light there on the bottom. Everything looks nice and undamaged. You have the connectors here on the side. I've never replaced the tail lights on the Tacoma before, so it's going to be quite interesting to see how that works. And I wonder if these come with bulbs pre-installed. It looks like indeed they do. I don't know if you guys can see, at least here in the clear side, but there are bulbs in there already. And I may switch these out to LEDs eventually, but for now we're going to go with these and see how everything looks. These are made in Mexico, you guys can see here. Again, they are OEM stock parts. Cool. That's what we've got. So we have a that down a little for you. We do have a set of these are actually the TRD Pro taillights, the taillights that go on the back of the TRD Pro version, which do fit the 2018 Tacoma that I have. I'm sure they fit other years, but I can tell you they do fit the 2018 and I'm sure some of the other years as well. So, like I said, within the next couple of days, go ahead and get this wrap back up. Awesome. Within the next couple of days, we are going to do the install on these and change the appearance of the back of the truck. Again, more going for a kind of a blacked out theme, if you will, on the truck. I know these aren't as blacked out as some of the aftermarkets that you see, but for this application anyway, I was a little more comfortable going with the TRD Pro and the little blacked out section that they have, because they should be a direct fit without any wire cutting or anything like that, which I'm always pro. So it should be pretty cool. We'll see. If you guys want to know the cost of these, let's see, and they're the same cost for both sides. They list at let's see, $196.85 is what I'm showing on here, and they were in stock, no issues. Can't wait to get them on. So stay tuned for the install. We'll have that coming up in not too long. Should be pretty cool. Again, if you're looking for anything, get a hold of sparksparts.com. Don't forget to use that RobMotive discount. Again, it's RobMotive, the name of the channel, for an extra 5% off. As usual, appreciate you guys watching. Please give this video a big thumbs up. Stay tuned for the install. Don't forget to click that subscribe button, and we'll see you next time on the web. Have a great day. Bye.